Hello everybody, so today we are going to look at the PDB debugger, which is enabled in Python, which is used for debugging the code. So this is very much useful tool. So let's get started with this. So first of all, it won't be like this. So what you need to do is just do where. So we are at the line 5 module, right? So it's on error handling .10.py at line 5. So if we want to list all the source code, so what we need to do is do L. So if we do that, so we see the source code. So it takes the two value and the it breaks at the line 5. So if we want, so it's not breaking it, it just pause over this line 5. So if we want to set a breakpoint, right, so what we do is use B, then specify the number, line number. So let's do 6. So it set the breakpoint over there, and after that setting the breakpoint. So if we just do S, then it will step forward one at a time, and it changes the line number also. So if we just do L, right, so right now our breaking point is right here, and if we want to clear the breaking point, right, so we could do just do clear, yes, clear all the breaking point and just do L. So if we want to do continue, right, so we do C for continue. So we are at line 8. So if we just do L, now we are at over here, and we want to know the type of the value. So what we will do is what is A. So it is an integer. So what is B? We do integer, so it is also an integer. So let's do, so everything is an integer. So thank you guys.